Hi, my name's April Meade and this is my World of Maths Assignment 2 presentation. The age group I've chosen for my play-based experience is 4 to 5-year-old kindergarten age group. The chosen maths concept I've used in my learning play experience is counting, addition and measurement, and I'm also touching base on weight and volume. I'm based my experience around the early years learning framework, so basing it around outcome 4. Children are confident and involved learners. This is my play experience with numeracy and mathematic concepts added to it. So play provides the opportunity for children to experiment and become involved. So we have different color plates here for sorting. So this is a sorting activity. They're going to be counting, they're going to be categorizing and using the scales in this third image for weight and measurement. So this is a lot of cognitive process. We are using the basic mathematic concepts. Cognitive, creative, fine motor skills are coming intertwined, and social skills. So as you can imagine, there'll probably be 4 students sitting around this table with an educator supporting and encouraging their mathematic concepts and developing their thinking process. I have a video presentation in this slide, so I'm just demonstrating here how the play will intertwine with their mathematic concepts. So as you can see, I'm sorting the different animals, so they're counting, so there might be 1 giraffe or 1 lion. And then as it comes further into the investigation and exploring, they're going to play on the scales. So stars are made of glass. Children as capable and creative communicators. 2010, Leone, the author, provides valuable definitions. So she's talked about sorting, ordering, classifying are important math and numeracy concepts, and educators support children in this learning. So this is pretty much exactly what we are doing in my play-based experience. And in this experience, we are touching base on outcome 4, as I previously stated in the other slide. So outcome 4.1, children develop dispositions for learning such as curiosity, cooperation, confidence, creativity, commitment, enthusiasm, persistence, imagination, and reflexivity. And there's also 4.2, 4.2.2, so they're based around researching, investigation, a range of skills such as problem solving and organizing and recording mathematical ideas and concepts. I have added an extension, so this is very much similar to what we were learning in the other slide and in my other learning experience. So this is extending the cognitive thinking, the process. So they're still going to develop the range of skills, and with the outcome 4, they're going to be problem solving, researching, investigating these mathematic concepts of scale, measurement. They're going to be counting these cups, and this is a lot of hands-on productive learning that's going on here as well. So then we will be continuing and extending that learning. As Julia 2005 states, the teacher's role involved familiarizing themselves with what children already know and providing experiences and opportunities to extend and sometimes challenge existing understanding. A discussion of how children from birth to 8 develop maths and numeracy skills. So I've stated here that it's based around play, communication, encouragement, sorting, observing, investigation, understanding numbers, and lots of hands-on experiences. So Glennie Damon, 2008, states that play experiences such as Lego, building, blocks, dramatic play experiences like shops, home corner, vets, all those sort of play experiences are intentional mathematics and numeracy learning as they don't understand the concepts of mathematics until they're actually involved in the learning, and then they realize it's in their everyday lives and everyday play. In my experience, I believe that we're supporting and developing maths concept through the different counting measurements. We're scaffolding the children's learning, as Brunner's theory states, that the educators and the adults, so they are developing the children's learning by scaffolding the successfulness of the children's development. So they are motivating and working them towards their goals. So that's providing guidance as well, and we're using different tools, cognitive thinking, and environment rich in maths. So this is an environment rich in mathematics, so hands-on learning. We have lots of mathematic concepts around us. We're counting, we're using colours, different objects to base that concept, exploring their cognitive development. And here are my references. Thank you very much for listening.